Greetings, YouTube. Elaine Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. And approximately 2 weeks ago, YouTube, we brought you a video titled Prune Your Plants. They'll love you for it. And in that video, we showed you guys how we went about pruning our propagated cherry tomato plants. And we told you that by pruning our propagated cherry tomato plants, it would increase airflow through the canopy of our cherry tomato plants. It would also increase sunlight penetration into the canopy of our cherry tomato plants. And it would also increase fruit production on our cherry tomato plants, YouTube. It's been approximately 2 weeks, YouTube. Approximately 2 weeks since we brought you guys that video from here at Queen Annie's place, YouTube. I'm going to spin this camera around for you guys right now and show you guys exactly what has happened in the past 2 weeks with our cherry tomato plants since we actually pruned them, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys peer through the canopy of this first cherry tomato plant and see how tremendously loaded this plant is after we pruned it just 2 weeks ago here, YouTube, at Queen Annie's place. Completely loaded, YouTube, all the way around this plant. This plant is loaded top to bottom, YouTube, with cherry tomatoes. The exact same thing happened here at Queen Annie's place, YouTube, on our second propagated cherry tomato plant. I'm going to lift this camera up for you guys right now and show you what's going on with that plant as well, YouTube. Take a look at this. Bam! All the way around, YouTube, top to bottom. This plant also, YouTube, is loaded with cherry tomatoes here, YouTube. Prune your plants. They'll love you for it. Thanks for watching.